Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. In this video, I'm going to cover the final step in our 4-step process, which is to improve. Continuous improvement is essential for sustaining long-term success. By creating a culture of ongoing enhancements, your team can always move towards higher standards and greater efficiency. So here's how to foster continuous improvements in your organization. Number 1, encourage your team's involvement. If you involve your team members in identifying potential improvements, you'll be getting constant ideas and feedback on how to continuously improve your process. Number 2, set incremental goals. If you define small achievable improvements, that will help you to build momentum. Number 3 is to review and adapt regularly. If you periodically go back and reassess processes, you'll be able to find new opportunities for further enhancement. And number 4 is to celebrate your wins. If you recognize the achievement, you will encourage a proactive culture in your business. So continuous improvement ensures that gains in efficiency and quality aren't just one-off achievements, but an ongoing process. This keeps your company competitive and adaptable in a constantly changing market. So now that we've covered all the 4 steps, let's just wrap up with a quick conclusion. See you in that next video.